3, 2, 1. Engine ignition. And liftoff. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 rocket on the Starlink 8-5 mission, and the Falcon 9 has cleared the tower. And a beautiful ascent of the Falcon 9 as it climbs up through the clouds tonight. About to approach max Q, one of the greatest aerodynamic pressure on the vehicle.
Yeah, right? It's coming our way, huh?
Falcon 9 now hitting max Q. Coming up on a few different events in fairly rapid succession. First we'll hit first stage manage and cutoff or MECO at about T plus 2 minutes and 25 seconds. That'll be followed by stage separation a few seconds later. And then second stage engine start, followed by fairing deployment just before the 3.
Wow. Yeah. That's cool right over.
We're now currently thermally conditioning the Merlin vacuum engine ahead of its burn. Now 2 minutes into flight. Great tracking views tonight from Pete, and as expected, fairly clear skies. And there you see MECO at stage separation, and there you see those events from the SpaceX onboard cameras. Hypersonic grid fins deploying, and in real time you see the payload fairings deploying from Pete's tracking camera. And we see the same, of course, from the onboard cameras and the Starlink satellites, including 13 with the direct-to-cell capabilities. A little tricky to find through some periodic clouds. There's the conclusion of the entry burn in real time. Still going on in the SpaceX feed, coming in on a slight delay. And with the conclusion of the entry burn, the next milestone coming up is this